Hello, once again, uh, I would like to explain the unit test number one, multiple choice questions. Question number one, production cost per unit can be reduced by. So, first alternative, output is greater than input. Second, input is greater than output. C, that is output that is equal to input. And D, not any one. So, you can write the right answers of question number one. You will get right answer, you will get 1 mark. Then question number second, work studies related to. First alternative, time study. Second, work measurements. Third, method study. And fourth, both B and C. You can write the right answers. You will get 1 mark. Question number three, job production related to. First alternative, product layout, process layout, fixed layout, not anyone. Then next, question number four, FW Taylor's contributions related to method study, time study, work study, and work measurements. C. Question number five, F. Gilbert contributions related to work measurement, method study, time study, and motion study. And last questions, that's sixth question. Main object of industrial engineering, increase productivity, increase productions to reduce the cost, and D, all ABC. Okay. So shall I go for seventh questions? Okay. Seventh questions. So questions number 7, I will read. Which is the internal factors? Which is the internal factor? Is the internal factors that will affect on the productivity. So here word is influencing, means affecting. So alternative one is the materials and energy. B is economic changes. C is social changes, not anyone's, means not A, not B, not C. So I have taken some factors which is affecting on the productivity. Internal factor, there are two types of factor, internal and external. Which is the internal factors which affect on the productivity? Material and energy, economic changes, social changes, not anyone. So this is the questions number 7. Then questions number 8. Which factors related to improvement in productivity? Which factors related to improvement in productivity? First, technology based, natural resources, government infrastructure, not anyone. You can write the right answers related to this, because of which factor the productivity will get improved. So this is the questions number 8. After this 9 and 10s I will going to write 9 and 10. So questions number 9, main objective of work study. Lower costs, increase profitability, make work easier, and all are correct. Means A, B, C are all are correct. Like this, things are there. Main objective of work study. After this, 10th question is there. 10th questions. What is work study procedures related to this? Make the correct sequence of work study. The correct sequence of work study. So here I will write certain words. You can make it correct. So here question number 10 is there. Make correct sequence of work study. Which is the first word? What is second word? Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like this way. So here exam is the first word, record, second, select third, develop fourth, new methods, define, fifth, install new methods and maintain new methods. So you can write the correct sequence. So here 10 marks is that multiple choice questions. It is related to our unit number 1. Unit number 1. Okay, have you written? Shall I proceed for next thing or shall I go for revisions related to this unit number one so that it is very easy to solve these 10 questions. Okay, I will go for revisions and accordingly you can uh, go through the unit test number ones. So first of all, a definition of industrial engineering. It is concerns with the design, improvement and installation of integrated system of man, material and machines, and it is related to our cost, production and productivity, and it can solve the complex problem in industry, reduce the cost, increase production and productivity. This is the main concept of the industrial engineering. The main contributions given by the two scientists F.W. Taylor and Gilbert. The Taylor's contributions, he was actually called father of scientific management, industrial engineering. He was a mechanical engineer. He initiated investigation of better work methods, thereby the doing the works in industry more effectively in efficient manners. He proposed the following actions: collect the data, then the sorting of the data, think about the present method study and improvement in this method study. The major contributions of F.W. Taylor's, the constitution of days work, wage payment system, elimination of wastage, training of the workers, changing in method study and improvement in method study. The next F. Gilbert contributions. This is the advancement over the technique of the F.W. Taylor's is related to motion study, having the work measurement technique. He has stressed on the output and input breakdowns of the different elements of the works and arranging of the sequence of the works. So this is the F. Gilbert. Main objective of industrial engineering: better design of plant, equipment and building, improvement in layout, better working condition and environment, higher standard of safety and health, improved flow of the work, better quality, greater job satisfaction, higher earning, improve the utilization of resources, effective material handling systems, efficient process and procedures, optimum inventory controls, optimum output, improved administrations, cost reductions, standardizations, and rationalizations. Then next, productivity, it is the ratio of output divided by input. You know that all the raw material, it has been converted into the output by the process. That process is conventional or unconventional, and the rate of doing the works or the unit produced in particular period, this is called productions. Then next, factors affecting on productivity. The two types of factors are there: controllables or internal factors. Controllables or internal factors, non-controllables or external factors. Controllable factors, the product, then plant and equipments, technology, materials and energy, humans factors, work methods, management policy. These are the internal factors. External factors, economic changes, social changes, natural resource, government and infrastructures. These are the external factors which affect on the productivity. Then how to increase productivity or ways to increase the productivity. So first, technology based things actually it will help to increase the productivity means You have to go for automation, mechanization, manual work that is done by the computers. So CAD, CAM, integrated systems, robotics, laser technology, all this useful to increase the productivity. Second, employee based. If you increase the morale of the employees, job satisfaction, definitely productivity will get increased. Material based, good inventory controls, good MRP, material requirement planning. Process based, so whatever existing process it is going on, in that process, there should be standardization, simplifications, evaluations things, safety. So all these factors will affect on the productivity. Product based, product based means we have to reduce the cost of product. Here, so many techniques we can use: reliability, value analysis, then management styles or policy or promoting the group activity. It will help to increase the productivity. Then the last part of the chapter, work study. So systematic investigations of the present methods and work measurements, and it is useful for increasing production and productivity. So here is generic terms for those technique, methods, and work measurement which are used in examination of the human's work in all its context, and which lead systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency, economy of the situations being reviewed in order to effect the improvement. Main objective of work study: lower the cost, increase productivity, increase job security, increase profitability, make work easier, establish the fair task for everyone, establish standards, eliminate wastage, check achievement against standards, improve quality and customer satisfactions. So these are the objective of the work study. And last part of the work study, what is the procedures for work study? Now in industry where actually you want to do the work study, it will start from the select the particular area, the what is going in that area, you can records, ask different types of questions to the examinations, develop the new methods, define the new methods, install that new methods and maintain. So this is the process of a work study. Just I have given the revision of unit number first, and related to this 10 mark multiple questions I have given to you. Now once again I will repeat, you can write all these 10 questions on one page and submit to me either on WhatsApp or mail. So I will take the print of your soft copy and I will preserve with me, and this is very useful for work study. And last date for submission of this test before unit test number 2. So when then we are going to conduct unit test number 2 after completing our chapter or unit number 2, means after 2 3 lectures our chapter number 2 will get over, and there is after this IAC examinations will be there. After 2 chapters the IAC examination will be there. So within 2 3 days, means before Wednesday you can submit, or now you can write and submit it to me. And main things, don't forget to write your name and roll numbers and divisions and your class, be A division, roll numbers and your names. Accordingly, I will write the marks in the column of the term marks. Okay. So anybody having any doubt, you can ask to me. This is our unit test number 1. multiple choice questions, 10 marks. Same type of test we're going to conduct on blackboards so that uh, at least one times it will go through your hands, because similar types of questions it is expected to be asked in your examinations, gate exams or university exams. So you can preserve all these questions with you so that it is very useful to you. Okay, anybody having any problems, you can ask. So we have six chapters, six unit test, or this MCQ test will be there. Each chapter test will be like this way, and you have to submit all these six tests. It will be with me. After that, at least one assignment on each chapter will be there that you have to submit. ISC 1, 2, 3. So ISC 1, 2, 3 marks. Then your multiple choice questions, unit test marks, assignment marks. It is very useful to me for um, the creating the marks related to work study. Okay. So anybody having any doubt, now you can ask to me related to this multiple choice question test number one related to unit number one, that is introductions to industrial engineering. So what actually we have studied here in the chapters, what is the industrial engineering, concept of the industrial engineering, two scientists and their contribution in industrial engineering, objective of the industrial engineering, then what is the difference between production and productivity, which factors affect on the productivity, which factor it will helpful to us for improvement in productivity, what is actually work study, how many branches of work study, two branches are there, method study and work measurement, what is the objective, reduce the cost, increase production, productivity, whatever the industrial engineering objective or same things are there. So this much things we have covered in this uh, chapters or unit number one. This is summarized things in our unit number one. So next test, that is the related to unit number two. Similar way I will going to conduct. So on papers you have to write, preserve these questions with you up to your the university exams, along with our assignment questions. Assignment questions will be there. The unit test questions will be there. You can accumulate all these questions, and after this, we'll go for the whole study of the all six MCQ types of questions. Okay. So here I think our time is over. We'll stop here.